Shane English Boost.
The bird market in Antwerp, Belgium. Plenty of things to see and do. Every week on Sunday mornings, the city of Antwerp is full of visitors. They all come to see the local bird market. The market has been around for over 500 years. Originally, it was a market selling only meat. Later on, the market specialised in selling living birds, and that is how it got its name. The market takes place every Sunday morning from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Nowadays, you can buy almost anything at the bird market. There are some birds and other animals for sale, but you can also buy fresh cheese, meat, fish and other foods. Besides that, there are also stalls for clothes, jewellery and bags. Sometimes you can find paintings and furniture too. At the market, you can buy and eat fresh food. They sell sandwiches, waffles, pancakes and pasta. If you want to buy cheese or nuts, you can try them before you buy. There are musicians, singers and dancers performing on the streets. But the vendors are the most interesting performers. They will try their best to sell you something. Every year there is a competition for the king or queen of the market. The vendor who is the funniest or the best wins. If you are done shopping, there are plenty of things to do nearby. The square around the market has beautiful buildings with cafes and restaurants inside. The market is in the middle of the theatre district, so you can see a musical, play or ballet show. There are also museums and exhibitions in this district. Finally, you can look at some of the special statues around the market too. Key vocabulary. Market. Antwerp. Belgium. Plenty of. Full. Visitor. Local. Originally. Sell. Meet. Later on. Specialize. Living. Take place. Nowadays. Buy. For sale. Besides. Stall. Clothes. Jewellery. Painting. Furniture. Fresh. Waffle. Pancake. Nut. Try. Perform. Vendor. Performer. Try their best. Competition. King. Queen. Funny. Nearby. Square. Cafe. In the middle of. District. Musical. Play. Ballet. Exhibition. Special. Statue. Let's talk. Do you want to visit the bird market? Why or why not? What do you want to see in Antwerp?